Dear student, at first take my cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll discuss about a very much important topic and my topic named degree. And of this class, especially English medium school students. So dear student, pay attention please. And look at this whiteboard. At first, I will say Allah is powerful. My dear student, now I'll go to at first importance of this topic. Dear student, please look at this whiteboard. In the ACC exam comes at least one or two question, and in the HSC exam comes at least one question. And admission test, job test, and 6 to 8 class more important of this topic. I think that. So, dear student, now I'll go to at first I'll go to discuss about how to find out of this degree. At first, I'll go to positive degree. Each degree has two characteristics. At first, I will discuss about the characteristics of the positive degree. No other or very few and as dot as. If I want to give an example, dear student, no other month of the year is as cold as January. Here we can follow up that sentence. No other and as dot as. So that's called a positive degree. Now I'll go to how to find out a comparative degree. We know that its degrees has two characteristics such as a more or year and then any other or then most other. If I want to give an example, dear student, then any other and more year. So that's called a comparative degree. And last of all, how to find out a superlative degree? We know that two characteristics of the superlative degree, the or one of the and most or est. If I want to give an example, dear student, January is the coldest month of the year. Here you can follow the sentence the or est, so that's called a superlative degree. I think that you can understand such kind of my whole lecture, dear student. Please wait for my next class how to find out how to change a superlative to positive and positive to comparative and comparative to positive, etc. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.